I'm talking about.
What do you think? It looks to be settling down quite well. You've got to wait till it turns white. You know, it looks possible. You see it's going cold because it's going frosty. It will actually turn white. And then we can see what we got. Yeah, you sit there and watch that. It's still warm. It looks glassy and frosty, so it is coming out of there. I'll go all the way around. I don't think it's... Oh, I got it. Where are you? Will eventually turn completely utterly white. It's not really too bad. Let me put it on something black. You know, I can cut around the edges with a scalpel. We can tidy it up, and then we could just stick it on something like that. So this time I know there's 4 places you really got to push that stuff into. And that's one. There's a tibbly there. There's a tibbly there, and there's this tip here I missed on the last one. So we'll try and avoid that this time. I'm going to fire up into them pointy bits first, like that. Now we're heading down for that other point. This didn't get it last time, so, and I'm going to cover all of it this time while it's hot. Use the tip of the gun to keep it hot. Let's try that for size. Shut it off. Make sure you unplug it. It's just started to go hard now, so. These are very dangerous knives, as we all know. One slip and you're in pain for a while. I don't know if he was on the live night last night, but I was talking about this, and on the picture it's black, and it looks about this big. I thought it was about 10 inches. That's what you get. I was a bit annoyed. That was confusing, isn't it? It's how they can make things look bigger than what they are. These photographers today can cut them out. Can you see that? Yeah, now you can see it. That's what I've done. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. There's another one in the bottom. I don't know if I can get that out. You see the difference? I'll keep going. There's about 3 more places. So it's gone quite cloudy now, so it feels pretty hard. So let's have a look. I missed that out for the start. You've got to get round these edges, I think. So yes, it works. And while I was waiting for that to dry, I went and got some blacksmith paint and painted it. But I personally think they're too small to do anything with, so it's classed as scrap. I won't do nothing with it, but on the same words, you can do other stuff with silicone and hot glue. I'm going to try maybe the two. I can't see the point of casting them. Thanks for watching. That's all I can say. It's a Sunday mess around with me. I get bored out of my skill on Sundays. I want to do that and I want to do that just for something to do. As I said, thanks for watching.